not knowing how we'll get through this test, but holding on to faith, you know best. Nothing can catch you by surprise. You got this figured out, and you're watching us now. And when it looks as if we can't win, wrap us in your arms and step in. And everything we need you supply. You got this in control, and now we know that you made our way. When our backs were against the wall and it looked as if it was over, you made our way. And we're standing here only because you made a way. You made a way. And now we're here, looking back on where we've come from. Because of you and nothing we've done to deserve the love and mercy you showed, but your grace was strong enough to pick us up, and you made our way. When our backs were against the wall and it looked as if it was over, Lord, you made a way. And we're standing here only because you made a way. When our backs were against the wall and it looked as if it was over, Lord, you made a way. And we're standing here only because you made a way. And you move mountains, you cause walls to fall with your power. Perform miracles. There is nothing that's impossible. And we're standing here only because you made the way. You move mountains, you cause walls to fall. You cause walls with God. Perform miracles. There is nothing that's impossible. And we're standing here only because say you move mountains, you cause walls to fall with your power. Perform miracles. There is nothing that's impossible. And we're standing only because. And we're standing only because. And we're standing only because you made us. You made a way. You made a way. You made a way. Don't know how, but you did. Don't know how, but you did. Hey! Don't know how, but you did. Don't know how, but
Gesù sul Milano. Gli Sanremo. tsy haiko hoe tamin'ny fomba ahoana fa vitanao ny tsy efa n'olombelona mbola nanokatra lalana ianao ho amin'ny lalan'ny fiainana teo amin'ny aizina zay tsy nisy afa-tsy ny fahafatesana manodidina dia nanokatra lalana ianao raha lasanabavy te manery any zara aminareo ary raha ny tiako dia ny anambara aminareo hoe niady tsara amin'ny finoana na hery ny finoako sy ny sisa zay nge mila marina miteny ao anatry anareo hoe ny zava-nisy dia zao latsaka tanteraka vizana tanteraka tsy nisy hery intsony tsy nisy avy amiko na dia kely arakory fa ny fahasoavana no mitondra 10 andro tsy niaina narary lamosina narary tratra reraka tanteraka reraka vizana ny any vavaka afaka nataoko dia hoe Jesosy eo alay vo afa-tsy zakako tsony aoka izay tsy ady tsony aho fa ody aho tamin'izay indrindra no foazy ny finoany zanako mirahalahy ny vavaka nahery niaraka tamin'ny finoany tena hoe nahavariana ny ainy ny vavaka izy mirahalahy ny foazy ny tompo tamin'ny telo maraina koa ny rahalahiko izay 700 kilometra miala ny anabaviko ny fianakaviako rehetra ary indrindraindrindra ireo rahalahy sy anabavy maro eran-tany ny vavaka tampitiavana ny tondra ary tena hoe ny ao tao anatiny zany ny vadiko izay tsy nitsahatra ny nanoana ireo namana sy tapaka any Madagasikara eran'ny Frantsa eran-tany hatrany Afrika nisy ary ireo olona izay tsy fantatra nefa dia mikasihan'ny tompony fitiavana hivavaka ao tena hoe misaotra anareo tena ho tsarovanaandriamanitra ianareo tsy raray avy satria ny tenin'andriamanitra miteny narary azy dia novanginareo tena feno fankasitrahana ny tompo mahery mivavaka marina ny zavatra ray voaray koa tao anatin'ny aretiny ity dia hoe tena efa akaiky ny fiverenan'ny tompontsika mila mibanjina ny any ambony mila vonona mba ho fiangonana masina tsy misy tasina kilemana ketroketrona mila mameno isan'andro ny solika fitaizitsika mba tsy ho tampoka amintsika ny fiverenan'ny tompo Jesosy Kristy izay nilaza fa hiverina ary akany azy izy aneno andray atsika rehetra tsiraray avy tena hoe mila fotoana zao hoe hitodiana tanteraka amin'Andriamanitra betsaka ny zavatra manodina ny saintsika na ao anatin'ny fanompona azy betsaka nefa tsy essentiel tsy zava-dehibe amin'ny tompo aokatsika hibanjana ny zava-dehibe dia ny firaisana tanteraka amin'ny isan'andro ny fanambarana ny famonjena sy ny fitiavana ny fifantohana amin'ny zavatra any ambony araka ny voalazan'ny Kolosianina 3 tena hoe mifantoka amin'ny any ambony fa manala ny masontsika amin'ity zavatra ny tany ity fa hiverina tsy hoela ny tompontsika mahereza raha sy anabavy ary mbola mamerina ny fisaorana anareo tena hoe arena mihoatra ny volamena ny fananana anareo tsiraray avy dia Jesosy hiambina sy hiaro anareo rehetrarehetra voninahitra ho azy rery ihany amen.